I'm Sue Errington, State Representative for House District 34, which is Muncie. I introduced the bill because I was concerned about the gender pay gap, the difference between average pay for women versus men, which there's a pay gap throughout the country, but Indiana has a especially large one. In fact, there are only 2 states that have a wider pay gap than we do. So my bill looks at what we can do to narrow that gap, because really people who are working need to feel that they're being paid fairly, regardless of what their sex is. One of the things that is in my bill would allow employees to discuss their wages with other employees. And there are some workplaces where that's prohibited or at least discouraged. But if Lily Ledbetter hadn't found out what some of her co-workers' pay was, and to realize that she was being compensated unfairly, she would never have been able to bring her case to court. And it was an anonymous note from some co-worker that tipped her off that she was being paid unfairly. So when half the women in our state are working outside the home and are either the primary breadwinner or a co-breadwinner, being paid fairly is really important, especially to women of color. And so that's what my bill attempts to do.